welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sophia Joson here. For my first video today, I'm gonna show you the ring light that I ordered sa Lazada. I-unbox natin siya and ayusin, and I'll make a review as well. So if you wanna learn more, please keep on watching. So, disclaimer lang guys, I'm sorry if may maririnig kayong tunog ng electric fan and mga dumadaan kasi ayun, ang daming dumadaan dito and at the same time, sobrang init. So, nakatapos sa akin yung electric fan. So, ito nga siya, yung in-order ko. So, pag tanggap nyo ng package, make sure na i-disinfect nyo muna. In-order ko to guys nung 7.15 sale ng Lazada. So, nakuha ko siya ng 699 pesos. And yung shipping fee niya is 65 pesos. So, supposedly, nasa 764 siya ganyan. But then, I got a voucher. So, 50 pesos voucher. So, ang binayaran ko na lang is 714. Something like that. So, ayan, i-unbox na natin siya. Ito lang yung shop na pinagbilan ko sa description box. And ayan. Ayan, i-unbox na natin siya. Complete package. It comes with a ring light, which is 10 inches, 26 centimeters, and then ring light with tripod, and at the same time, may Bluetooth remote control na siya. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dito kasi ang dami kong shops na nakita na almost mas mura but wala siyang remote control. And gusto ko kasi yung may remote. Meron ako nakita isa pa, but it cost 800, so dito ako bumili kasi wala naman siyang negative reviews and at the same time, maganda yung ano niya. Maganda yung, oh my god, yung lighting dumilim. I'm sorry. So, ayan, maganda yung mga reviews. So, yeah, unbox ko na siya guys. So, this one's Yunteng. Mobile phone, tripod, camera, tripod, the Bluetooth shutter for iPhone, ISO, and Android 4.3 or newer mobile phones. Ayan. Open ko na siya. Sobrang aga niyang dumating kasi 17 ko nga siya in-order and ang expected time of arrival niya guys is on July 21 hanggang August 1. But it came in too early. Ano lang ngayon? It's July 16. Ito yung guys, ito yung nasa loob niya. And then may plastic na kasama, and then yung mismong tripod. So, ito yung nasa box. And ito, siguro yung sa phone stand. And it comes with this parang charger. I'm gonna put it over here muna. Oh my god! Sorry, yung kukuha ng iman. Ayan. May ito nga, baka nakakabother ka. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung tripod. May silong ko siya. Ang not. Ayan. So, wala ko siyang manual guys eh. It doesn't come with manual. Sorry, nababother kayo dun sa box ko. Tingnan ko na siya. Ayan. Ito yung haba niya. Long fit ko to. Baba lang pala siya. Wait. Ayun. Guys. Ito fast forward ko na lang bumper siya. Oh my god. There you go. Ah! Oh yan. Teka lang. I-lock natin siya guys. I-lock. Ang medyo mahirap siguro i-assemble is yung ring light. Kasi bago ako bumili ng ring light, talagang bumili ako ng mga shops. At yung mga reviews nila. Ayan. Then, itong ring light is from LED 10. 3 colors that can be adjusted. Ito yung ring light. So, this one's 26 centimeters, 10 inches. Ang ingay. I'm sorry. Sana hindi na-review. Pero na-review. Ayan. Ito yung camera para mas makita nyo yung ginagawa ko. Ayan. After ilang minutes, I'm actually done setting it up. Kung makikita nyo, Ito yung nilagay ko kanina, and then dinagdag ko itong something twistable. Ito, then dito nyo ilalagay yung phone nyo. But I have this something na hindi ko alam kung bakit or para saan. But okay naman na siya, and I will be testing ngayon yung light niya and yung brightness. And guys, finally, I'm done setting it up. It took time kasi nga wala siyang user manual or guide. But for me, I'm done with it. Sobrang hirap nga lang. And kind of haggard ko. Hindi talaga nahirapan ako sa pinatay ko yung electric fan para hindi maingay. So, first light, ay papakita ko sa inyo yung effect ng light niya. So, this one is yung white light, yung natural light. So, ayun yung pinaka-dim. Ayan, pinaka-bright. Ayan. Then, second one is itong parang orangey-yellow light. Ayan. Then tayo sa pinaka-dim and pinaka-bright. Third type of light is para siyang pinaghalo ng first and second. Para siyang yellowish, orangey na white. So, ayan yung pinaka-bright and ito yung pinaka-dim. So, I'm gonna tell you my thoughts. Sa pros, nagustuhan ko kasi very fast delivery like what I said earlier. I ordered it nung 7:15 yung bounce back sale ng Lazada, and it came today, July 18. And for also, ang liwanag niya. So, for me, that's a pro kasi tatlo pa yung options mo if you want something na medyo orangey vibe, gusto nyo ng white light, or a mixture of both. So, ayun. For the cons naman, for me is, yun nga, mahirap siyang i-assemble, but I think gano'n naman lahat ng ring light from China, wala siyang manual kasi, like what I've said, naghanap din talaga ako sa Lazada. Maliit siya, but okay din naman for its price, 699 pesos. Yun, ang haggard ko sa first vlog ko, but yes, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye! Tinanggal ko yung phone ko sa tripod, so nandito ako sa may ring light lang. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, and sobrang tagal ko nag-film kasi 12 nag-start na ako mag-film, tapos ngayon lang ako matatapos around 4. Keep safe, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel! And if you have any video suggestions, prank, or anything, mukbang, you can comment down below. Bye-bye!